Hi!
Mama.
Why? Airplane. Big airplane.
Wow.
Kami po ay naghahanap ng mga pasahero na may mga kasama na hindi natutuloy sa kanilang flight. Kung kayo po ay may kasamang hindi natutuloy, mangyari po lamang na ipaalam at magtungo na lamang sa harap ng gate number 9. Maraming salamat po.
Mama.
Bye. Why?
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Hi.
To all Cebu Pacific guests of Flight 5G120 bound for Hong Kong, please be advised that due to limited space inside the aircraft to accommodate carry-on bags, we shall be seeking for passengers.
Bye. Say see you later, Dada. Hey. Airplane. How many? Two. Bye. Airplane. Hey, come here. Yes? Baby shark toot 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 toot. Baby shark toot toot. Big. Big airplane. Wow. Say, and then say, see you soon, Dada. See you later. Big. Big. Wow. Where? Here.